First, we will create another component by separating the list element and the search element. Let's cut everything from the UL and move below the app function. Create another function component named list and then paste the UL component. After that, to glue our list component into our app component, let's go back to our app component and put the list in the place where we cut the list component before. The component name should be the same as the function component name. And let's do the same with the search component. Okay, great. It works as expected. Now let's learn about component hierarchy. This is important so we can understand and get a clearer view of the React component taxonomy. First, we have app component. This is our root or entry component in every React application. Every React application must have this entry point component. Then we have separated the search component and list component. Search and list component are the child components from the app component. Also, let's pretend we also create an item component from our list component. The item component is the child component from the list component. At the same time, list component is the parent component of the item component. Now, have you understood the parent and child component hierarchy? If not, you can ask me in the comment section, okay? Let's continue. After you know the hierarchy of the parent and child component, the search and list component are a sibling component since both are the child component from the same parent, app component. These three components, search, list, and item, are the descendant of the app component, and the item component have its ancestor component, which is app component and list component. Okay, that is all about component hierarchy. I hope you can understand component better after see this explanation about component hierarchy. By separating our component and creating a hierarchy between components, it will greatly help when creating a huge React application. Usually, when creating a React application, we'll start from the app component. Sometimes you already plan and know what components you should make beforehand, but sometimes you create one huge component and extract the component from it. But as for a beginner, you maybe have a hard time to decide when and which one you should create a new component. Do not worry, as you go with me along with the practice, you will naturally know when to effectively create a new component. Okay, I think that it's all for the current lesson. In the next video, you will learn deeper about component, and by the end of the video, you will get a grasp how component is declared and instantiated. See you in the next video.